Welcome back to the Mayo Public Library at Home Kitchen, and today we're making melted snowman cookies. The things we have made are pre-made cookies and pre-made icing. So, the next step is to take some of your icing, and to just put a lot on the cookie. It doesn't matter if it's perfect or not, you just want there to be a lot. I'm not the best at this, but it's what we're working with. There we go. Okay, the next step is to take a marshmallow, put it on top. And then we're going to take this chocolate and put it on top. It's kind of breaking, but there we go. One on each side as the arms. The next step is to take, we're taking chocolate sprinkles as the little, arms on top. The little tiny, branches on the snowman's arms. And then now we're going to give him 2 eyes. 1, 2. You also can use M&Ms, but we have icing too. So now you're just going to take an orange one or any other color. And then we're going to just put it in the icing so then have some icing on it so it sticks. Oh no. There we go. And oh no. That might work. Okay, now we need to take 3 M&Ms for buttons, and I'm going to take, oh no. Like they're getting stuck. Okay. Green, red, and white, since they're Christmas colors. And there we go. And now we're done. Thanks for watching.